This quick video is about how to turn on dark mode on iPhone Snapchat. Okay, actually some of you can't able to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. It's because you did not find the app appearance on settings. If you're facing this issue means just uninstall the Snapchat and reinstall again. Once it's done, then open Snapchat and log in again. Yes, once it's done, then touch here and tap settings, then scroll down a little bit, then you can see this option app appearance. Touch that, then click on always dark. That's it. Now your Snapchat app successfully turned into dark mode. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.